Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. Before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount of your total purchases. All the informations will be in the description box. So now into the video. To start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So once my peel base is completely dry, I move on to my deep powder application. So the first powder that I will be using today is in the shade Yellow Gold. So I pour my powder into my powder tray just because the pot is really full and I don't really wanna waste any products. So now I move on to my base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on my nail and immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be applying Yellow Gold on my pointy and pinky nail, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So then once I'm finished with my Yellow Gold, I move on to my next powder, and this is in the shade Evergreen, and I will be applying this on my ring and thumb, and again I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And also I just want to quickly mention that this powder is very pigmented. You can probably get away with 2 coats of this powder, but I like my nails to be a little bit thick, so I apply 3 coats of this. But as I said, you will get the full opacity with just 2 coats. So once I'm finished with Evergreen, I move on to my clear, and I will be applying 1 layer of this on my middle nail, and this is going to be the base for my next powder. So here is my next powder, and this is in the shade Autumn Jam. I will be applying 1 layer of this on my middle nail. And I also use my other finger to gently press my nails to flatten out all the chunky bits. So after 1 coat of the powder, I decided to apply a little bit more of the chunky glitter. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base, and then I use a tweezer to pick up the chunky bits and place it on my nail. So once I'm happy with the powders, then I move on to my clear to encapsulate my nails, and this step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this if you are using a chunky glitters on your nails. This will protect the glitters underneath from piling and buffing. So then once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. So then next, I apply another layer of activator on all of my nails and leave it for 2 minutes. Next, I wipe off all the excess activator on my nails using lint-free wipes. And then I move on to my top coat. So I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails. So once the top coat is completely dry, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.